How to log out a Facebook account on iPhone. To get started, first of all find the Facebook app on your home screen. Tap on the Facebook app to open it. When the feed loads, you will find 6 different icons at the bottom. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right to open the menu. On the menu screen, scroll down to the very bottom to reveal the Logout option. Once you're here, tap on Logout. Then, a pop-up will appear, giving you options to cancel or log out. Tap on Logout again to confirm and end the current session. Wait a moment while Facebook signs you out. You can return anytime and just log back into your account. Following these steps, you can easily log out a Facebook account on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.